Planning to register a vehicle in Sri Lanka? In this video, we'll walk you through the process of registering a vehicle in Sri Lanka, including the requirements, documentation, and some essential tips to make the process smoother. Before we dive into the registration steps, it's important to understand the restrictions on the types of vehicles that can be shipped to Sri Lanka. Only right-hand drive vehicles are allowed, so if you're bringing in a car from the US or another left-hand drive country, you'll need to have a conversion done before registering. Additionally, most vehicles imported into Sri Lanka must be no more than 3 years old, although there are some exceptions. Also, be mindful of your vehicle's engine capacity. The larger the engine, the higher the import taxes. So if you're shipping an SUV or other large vehicles, expect to pay more on taxes. Now, let's break down the vehicle registration process. Here's a simplified list of what you need to do once your vehicle arrives in Sri Lanka. First, you need to apply for registration at the Department of Motor Traffic. You will need to pay the relevant registration fees. The cost will depend on factors like the type and age of your vehicle. Step 2 is to pay the road tax for your vehicle. You'll also need to obtain proof of insurance for your vehicle. In Sri Lanka, it's mandatory to have insurance before you can complete the registration process. Next, your vehicle will be assigned a vehicle identification number, or VIN. This number is essential for vehicle identification and is required for registration. Finally, once the registration is complete, you'll be issued license plates. These are necessary for driving your vehicle legally on Sri Lanka's roads. We have more detailed information about shipping a vehicle to Sri Lanka on our international transport page. If you're curious about the costs or need to know more about the import restrictions, it's a great resource to check out. Planning to ship your vehicle to Sri Lanka? Or have questions about the registration process? We're here to help. Call us today at 1-888-230-9116 or email us for a free price quote. No obligation required. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips on vehicle shipping and registration around the world.